Okay. So, so if you remember, no, so last meeting, iniwan ko tong activity na to sa inyo, no, as part of your assignment and para sagutan nyo na rin. Right? Then today, I'm gonna discuss some of it muna. No, some of it para magkaroon kayo ng iba pang idea on how to solve this kind of problem or how to give the value of x-intercept, y-intercept, its roots, and the multiplicity of roots. No? So we'll check your work at the same time. So I'll give the point system later after answering this. Then isasabay na rin natin yung graph ng polynomial function. Okay? So I am expecting na most of you na nandito ngayon, sa mga nandito ngayon is may sagot kayo sa mga activity natin. Okay? So, I think I'm clear naman, no? Naririnig naman ako na maayos. So, sabi ko nga last time, this is your assignment. At the same time, this will be recorded for your week 2 activity. This included to your week 2 activity. So, just try to check your work and para mabigyan ko kayo ng chance to fix your answer dun sa ibang questions. And also, I will include the graphing of this polynomial function. So let us try to answer first number 1 question. Okay, again, I am expecting everyone na meron kayong sagot nito. And of course, your solution. Kasi kung wala po, magkakaroon lang kayo ng problem. Okay, so let's try. So let's try to answer y is equal to x plus 3, x minus 1, x plus 1. And we need to give the value of x-intercept, y-intercept, its roots, and multiplicity of roots. So, simulan natin. From the given, sabi ron, y is equal to x plus 3 times x minus 1 and x plus 1. Okay, in this case, we need to solve for the value of x-intercept and y-intercept. Pero unahin muna natin yung value ng x-intercept. Okay? So, paano ba natin makukuha yung value ng x-intercept? Simple lang. Kapag kailangan natin hanapin yung value ng x-intercept, let us try to assume that y is equal to 0. Okay? Y is equal to 0. Then, ang gagawin lang natin, we'll just simply substitute the value of y dun sa equation. So, mangyayari, magkakaroon tayo rito ng 0 is equal to x plus 3, x minus 1, and x plus 1. As you can see, dito sa problem kasi na to, hindi na tayo masyadong mahihirapan. Okay? Hindi na tayo masyadong mahihirapan dahil naka-factored form na siya. So later, magbibigay ako ng tip kung paano nyo sasagutan yung matitirang question. Okay. So ngayon, dahil naka-factored na siya, na-substitute na natin yung value ng y. So, gagawin natin sa bawat factor, we will equate them into 0, each factor. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ngayon, equate natin sa 0. So, yung x plus 3 equals 0. Then, followed by x minus 1 equals 0. At yung nahuli, x plus 1 equals 0. Okay? So, dahil naka-equate naman sila sa 0, pwede na natin isolve yung value ng x. So, gagawin lang natin, gagamit tayo ng transposition method. Positive 3 pag nilipat, magiging negative. Okay? Negative 1 pag nilipat, magiging positive. And last one, positive 1 pag nilipat, magiging negative. So, nakuha na natin yung value ng x. X is equal to negative 3, positive 1, and negative 1. Ngayon, pwede na natin ibigay yung value ng x-intercept into coordinate form. So, ano po ngayon yung x-intercept natin? If you remember class, lagi siyang naka-form na x, y. Diba? So, ang y natin kasi dito sa equation na ginawa natin, y is 0. So, it means the value of your x-intercept or the coordinate of your x-intercept is negative 3, 0, right? 1, 0, and negative 1, 0. So, gagamitin natin kasi ito mamaya sa graphing. Okay? So, lagay na muna natin dun sa table. So, yung value daw ng x-intercept natin, either ganito baka kasi yung iba ang sinulat ganito, negative 3, 1, negative 3. Ay, negative 3, sorry. That's positive 1. Okay, negative 3, positive 1, then negative 1. Baka kasi ganyan sinulat ng iba, okay lang, sige pagbibigyan natin ngayon. Pero dapat, nakasulat siya in coordinate form, which is negative 3, 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 0. Okay? Yan. Yan kahit alin po sa dalawa yung sagot nyo, okay lang Negative 3, positive 1, negative 1, okay lang yan. Or, negative 3, 0, 1, 0, and negative 1, 0. So ngayon, meron tayong value for x-intercept. Solve naman natin yung y-intercept. So ngayon, dahil y-intercept naman yung hahanapin natin, balik tayo naman natin. Kung kanina, yung y ang ginamit natin as 0 nung hinahanap natin yung x-intercept. Ngayon naman, to solve for y-intercept, we will assume that x is equal to 0. Okay? So, gagawin lang naman natin dyan, just simply substitute the value of x dun sa equation na meron tayo. So, magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng y is equal to 0 plus 3. Okay? 0 minus 1. And 0 plus 1. Okay? Next, magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng 3 times negative 1 times 1. So, what will be the value of your y here? Sige nga po, answer. Sige po, anong value ng y natin? Okay, y is equal to negative 3. Or, the coordinate should be, dahil x ay 0, 0, negative 3. Okay? So, lagay natin sa table. Yung y-intercept daw ay negative 3. Or, pwede rin, baka mamaya ang sinulat natin ay 0, negative 3. Okay? Coordinates. Okay, now, it's already 10 o'clock. Okay. Now, how about the roots? Ano yung roots natin dito na nakuha? Di ba yung roots na kinukuha natin, lagi yung nagiging value nung x na nakuha natin kanina. Therefore, the roots are negative 3, 1, and negative 1. Okay. Para mas clear, ano ba tagang purpose ng roots? Yung roots, eto yung value na kung saan magiging 0 yung isang equation. Okay, ito yung mga value ng variable x ninyo na kung saan magiging 0 ang lahat ng ang isang equation. Now, how about the multiplicity of roots? Ilan-ilan ba sila? So, negative 3. Okay, ilan ba yung negative 3 dyan? Multiplicity of 1 lang. Okay? Tapos, meron tayong negative 1. Positive 1. Multiplicity of 1 din. Okay, the negative 1, multiplicity of 1 also. Okay? Meron tayong 3 possible roots. Okay, pero yung multiplicity ng roots kasi natin is tag-iisa lang. Okay? Kasi multiplicity ang hinihingi dun sa part na yon. Okay? So, another. Try naman natin yung number 2. Okay, so yun po yung multiplicity approach natin. So, for number 1, wala. Yan. So, kung i-check nyo po yung gawa ninyo, this should be 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. Then, dun po sa solution is 2 points. Okay, nakita naman natin kung paano yung naging solution natin. So, ngayon, before we proceed in or before we proceed answering number 2, let us try to graph this polynomial. If you read your module regarding graphing, meron tayong rule na tinatawag in graphing polynomial function. No? Para kahit wala tayong ilagay na value dito, no? Alam natin kung ano yung magiging itsura ng graph. Okay, but for now, okay, so try natin i-plot yung mga points na coordinate. So, wait lang. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Isipin nyo lang, pantayan. Okay? So, I am expecting na lahat kayo ay marunong mag-plot ng point. So, i-plot muna natin yung point ng mga coordinates na nakuha natin. Una, nakuha natin is negative 3, 0. No? This is y-intercept. This is the x-intercept. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay? So, ano-ano ba yung mga coordinates na meron tayo? Meron tayong negative 3, 0. So, negative 3, 0 daw. Negative 3 yung x. Ito yung negative 3 ng x. So, this is your negative 3, 0. Okay? Sunod, meron tayong positive 1, 0. Ito yung positive 1, 0 natin. At negative 1, 0. And dun sa y-intercept naman, we have 0, negative 3. Okay. So, ano yung magiging itsura ng graph natin na to? So, ito ang magiging itsura ng graph ninyo. Kita ba pag yellow? Ito na lang. Kita ba ito? Okay, kita naman. Delete ko lang muna. So, this will be your graph. So, ito yung magiging itsura ng graph natin. Okay. Sir, bakit ganyan yung itsura ng graph natin? So, papakita ko yun sa inyo yung rule ng graph. Okay, remember this rule. When n is odd, di ba yung n natin na to, ito yung exponent o yung degree na sinasabi. No? If your n is odd and your a sub n or your leading coefficient is positive, the graph falls to the left, okay? Magsisimula ka sa ibaba ng left and rises to the right. So ngayon, balikan natin yung number 1. Okay? Falls to the left and rises to the right. Sir, bakit ganon? Paano nyo nalaman na this is odd? So, pakita natin ngayon kung ano yung magiging leading term once na i-compute natin itong equation. Sabi ko nga, this equation is already in factored form. So, para lang malaman natin kung ano yung leading term niya, leading term na lang let us try to multiply all first terms sa bawat factor. Try natin. X times x, sige nga po, pasagot. X times x, let's do the basic. What is x times x? Ano yung ginagawa natin sa polynomials? or sa multiplication of polynomials kung similar term sila or similar yung variable. Sa multiplication property, anong ginagawa sa exponent? What is the process in multiplication of variable? X times x is x squared. No? X times x is x squared. How about, let us try to multiply this to another variable x. This will become x times x is x squared. Then x squared times x will become what? Okay. So the answer is, we have x cubed. Right? So ganun lang naman eh. Kapag nag-multiply tayo ng variable, we'll just simply copy the similar variable. Then ina-add natin yung exponent nila. So ngayon, ito lang yung kailangan natin para ma-prove na ito yung itsura ng graph. So gagawa tayo ng isa pang graph na walang naka-plot na point. Okay? Para meron kayong idea. Para kahit hindi kayo mag-solve, kunyari hinihingi lang yung graph, so kahit hindi nyo na gawin to, may bibigay nyo kagad yung itsura ng graph. Ang rule number 1, sabi, kapag daw yung degree or yung n ay odd, at positive, yung leading coefficient, no, ang graph nyo dapat ay falls from the left and rise to the right. So, ito ang magiging itsura ng graph ninyo. Especially sa cube. Ganyan talaga. Alright? Any question about this? So, kapag, kunyari, nagbigay ako ng equation sa inyo. No? Dalawa kasi yan. Kapag positive yung, yan, ito yun, no? Kapag positive yung leading term, ito yung graph. Okay, remember this. Okay? Pero kapag negative, baliktad naman siya. Okay? Pero may kitaan nyo yan once na nag-plot tayo ng point. Okay? So, pakitandaan po yung itsura ng graph na yan. Nandiyan po yan sa inyong module. Baka isama ko kasi yan sa exam. Especially those terms. Diba? Let's say, kunyari, sa exam, binigay ko tong graph. So, ito yung bibigay nyo. Ayan. Tawag dyan is the end behavior of graph. Okay, so let us try to answer naman yung number 2 problem. Okay, so we're already done in number 1. This is 6 points. No, bali 6 points po siya. Okay. 1 check sa bawat table, then 2 points para sa solution. How about the second given? So, f of x is equal to x squared minus 16. So, let us try to answer this. F of x is equal to x squared minus 16. Kung matatandaan natin yung mga lesson natin sa math ng lower year, no? This kind of given is the what we call product of sum and difference. Sum and difference. Pagsino natin. Okay? Paano ko siya ngayon nasabi na this is a product of sum and difference? Madali kasing malaman na product of sum and difference ang isang problem kung this only composed of 2 terms, okay, and the operation is subtraction, and the most important thing, both terms, yan, are perfect square. Okay, both terms are perfect square. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo siyang hatiin sa dalawa. Okay? So, let's i-write ko lang muna yung problem. F of x is equal to x squared minus 16. So, kailangan natin makuha yung value ng x-intercept at y-intercept sa given na to. So, gagawin lang muna natin, instead of f of x, let us try to change this into y form. Okay? And then, gawin na natin, let us try to assume that y is 0. Kung y is 0, substitute lang natin yan, magkakaroon tayo ng 0 is equal to x squared minus 16. So, gamit tayo ng factoring method. What is the factor of these two numbers? Or the factor of x squared minus 16. Sige nga, try natin. So, what will be the factor of x squared minus 16? Sige, paano nga ba ulit mag-factor? No? Paano nga ulit mag-factor? So, ito lang naman, basic technique. X plus 8x minus 8. Sige. Is there any question? Tandaan ha, kapag minultiply natin yung dalawang side, no, pag gumamit kayo ng FOIL method, kailangan lalabas si 16. This is product of sum and difference. So from the word sum and difference, ibig sabihin, factor nyo ay plus and minus. Sabi, sum and difference. Ano kayang factor? Sige. Una, kunin natin tong instruction. Sabi, product of sum and difference. Sum, ibig sabihin addition, difference, subtraction. Diba? Sum is addition, difference, subtraction. Ngayon, yung x squared, ano bang square root ng x squared? Para magkaroon ng x squared, ilang x ang kailangan natin? Okay, dalawa. So, hinati lang naman natin sa dalawa kasi dalawang factor lang naman yan. Diba? Ngayon, anong square root ng 16? Okay, that's 4. Diba? Sa basic factoring method, sa basic FOIL method, di ba, pag tinuturuan kayo ng shortcut ng mga naging teacher nyo nun, kapag minultiply nyo itong dalawang dulo, kailangan lalabas yung constant. No? Ganun lagi yon. Kapag minultiply nyo yung dalawang dulo, lalabas yung constant. Okay, ngayon, nakuha na equate natin siya sa 0. So, equate natin each factor into 0. So, x plus 4 equals 0. And x minus 4 equals 0. So ngayon, the value of x are, transpose natin to, x is equal to what? Sige nga po. Anong value ngayon ng variable x natin? O ng x-intercept? Okay, x is equal to negative 4 and x is equal to positive 4. So the value of your x-intercept is negative 4, 0, and 4, 0. Okay? Now, how about for the y-intercept? Let us try to assume that x is 0. So, ipalit lang natin dito. So, y is equal to 0 squared minus 16. So, 0 naman kasi to. So, mangyayari lang negative 16. Okay? So, eto ngayon, yung value ng y-intercept. So, y-intercept is 0, negative 16. So, lagay muna natin dito. Okay, x-intercept, negative 4, 0, and 4, 0. Y-intercept natin ay 0, negative 16. How about the roots? Ano yung roots na meron tayo dito ngayon? Okay, roots are negative 4 and positive 4. Kahit alin dyan mauna sa dalawa, okay lang. Okay, multiplicity of roots. Ilang negative 4 ang meron tayo? Ilang negative 4 ang meron tayo? Isa. At ilang positive 4? Ilan yung positive 4 natin? Isa rin. Okay? So, kung tama yung sagot nyo rito, 1 check, 1 check, 1 check, 1 check. Then, 2 points para solution, another 6 points. Okay, so ngayon, try natin i-graph. Okay, balik tayo rin sa rule ng graph. Tignan natin, ha. Yung rule ng graph. Okay, ito na kagad. So dito, sa another rule ng graph natin, dadagdagan ko to mamaya. Sabi, when n is even, o yung degree mo daw ay even, and a sub n is positive, this is your graph. Okay? Kung yung n mo daw ay even, at positive yung leading term mo, this will be the graph. So, balik tayo ron. Dapat daw, ang magiging graph mo is like this. Okay? Kasi, even daw yung iyong leading term. No? Kaso, try natin munang i-plot yung point para makita natin yung itsura ng graph. Estimate ko na lang, no? You have 4. Sorry. Okay, you have here 4, negative 4, and negative 16. Okay? So, meron lang kasi tayo rito ang tatlong points. Tatlo yung coordinate natin, yung negative 4, 0, yung positive 4, 0, at yung 0, negative 16. Okay, tandaan nyo to class ha, tandaan nyo to. This is case by case scenario. If we will connect those points, ito yung itsura ng graph nyo. This is parabola. Okay, kasi quadratic siya. Normally naman talaga, kapag ginagraph natin ng quadratic, it forms a parabola, either opens upward or downward. Okay? Pero kung dudugtungan natin to, kunyari naglagay pa tayo ng points, ganito ang magiging itsura niya. Pag in-extend natin yung point, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. Yes sir, bakit po baliktad dun sa graph kanina? Simple lang. Kaya naging baliktad yung itsura ng graph natin dito dahil po yung y-intercept natin ay negative. No? So, ibig sabihin, kapag yung constant natin ay nag-negative, yung graph natin na to, magiging baliktad yung kanyang itsura. Okay po? Mababago yung itsura ng graph natin once na mag-negative yung ating constant. But still, this is case-to-case basis. Kaya maganda, kapag magpa-plot kayo ng point, no, unahin nyo munang i-connect yung mga points natin. Doon nyo makikita kung ano yung magiging next flow ng mga graph ninyo. No, kaya kanina, di ba, kung mapapansin nyo, pwede siyang baliktad depende doon sa coordinate na makukuha ninyo. Kaya di ba kanina ang ginawa natin, plinat ko lang muna yung mga point, no? After kong i-plot yung mga point, kinonect ko muna. Malabo yung green. After kong i-plot yung point, di ba, kinonect ko muna. Kasi pag kinonect nyo na yung point na yan, doon nyo makikita kung ano yung magiging susunod na flow kapag nag-extend kayo ng point. No? So, dahil nakita nyo parabola open upward, ang kasunod niyan syempre, mag-go down na yung graph natin. Okay? Pero, kung halimbawa, yung graph ninyo, kunyari, ito yung mga points. Ayan. No? Kunyari, connect nyo muna yung tatlong point na yan, yung tatlong gitna na yan. Nakita nyo opens downward. No? Opens downward siya at the same time, nakita nyo yung rule na even yung ating exponent or yung degree. So, dahil nakita natin even yun, it will forms like this. Okay? Kaya importante rin na nakikita natin kung ano yung degree at ano yung nagiging itsura ng constant. But for now, it's better na alam nyo kung paano muna kinukuha yung mga coordinates, no, yung value ng x and y intercept bago kayo mag-fall sa graph. Okay? Now, let's continue. Ngayon, yung number 3, 4, and 5, etong tatlong to, you need to double check your work. And lalagyan nyo na rin sila ng graph. Explain ko lang kung paano nyo ulit sasagutan ito. Baka kasi nagkamali kayo ng process sa ginawa nyo. Okay, listen carefully para sa hint. Unahin natin yung number 3 at number 5. Okay, dito muna tayo. Number 3 at number 5. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng hint. Dito, gagamitin nyo yung natutunan ninyo sa week 8 video lesson. So, paano yun? Kukunin nyo muna yung lahat ng possible roots. Diba? Tapos, saka kayo gagamit ng synthetic division method para malaman ninyo kung ano yung value ng inyong x-intercept o yung value ng x. Or, much better, yung factor ng polynomial ninyo. Kasi kung titignan nyo, kunyari yung graph, okay, nakita ko x cube. So sabi ni sir, kapag positive yung leading term, no, based dun sa rule ng graph, okay, based dun sa rule ng graph, kapag positive yung leading term, tapos add yung, tawag dito, add yung exponent niya or degree, ito yung itsura ng graph. Okay? Yes, correct. Correct ka dyan. No, tama yung magiging itsura ng graph mo. Ang tanong, nasaan yung mga points? So, kaya kailangan nyo pa rin i-solve. Okay? So, again, bigyan ko lang muna kayo ulit ng hint, ha? Okay. So, again, ang gagawin nyo sa number 3 at 5 para makuha yung factor at yung value ng x and y intercept. Kaya kailangan nyo lang gawin, kunin nyo muna yung mga possible roots, then apply the synthetic division method. Okay? Nandun po yan sa week 8 video lesson natin. Then, solve nyo na yung value ng x-intercept at y-intercept. Kung tutusin kasi, napakadaling kunin pag si y-intercept lang. Kunyari, ito. Kung ito 0, anong matitira? Ano magiging value ng y kung 0 na tong x squared na to? Kung wala na yan. Anong value ng y-intercept? Ang natira na lang, di ba, yung negative 16? Right? Ito siya, 0, negative 16. Kasi 0 na yung x mo dun eh. No, madaling kunin yung part na to. No, kaya ang pinapafocus ko sa inyo, yung pagkuha ng value ng x-intercept. Break ko lang to. Okay? So, paano nga ulit kinukuha yung roots? Yung possible roots, kunyari, negative 16. So, meron ako rito negative 16. Ano-ano yung mga possible roots ng negative 16? Ano-ano rin yung mga number na kapag minultiply mo, lalabas yung 16. O 16 na lang, pagbasya natin 16. Di ba pwede diyang 1 saka 16? Tama ba? 1 times 16, 16. Tanggalin ko yung negative para di kayo malito ha. So ano pa? Ano pa yung possible factor? Diba? Pwede rin yung 4 times 4. Tama? Pwede rin yung 2 and 8. Very good. So, ibig sabihin, yung possible roots ng 16 ay positive or negative 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Actually, dalawang 4 yan, di ba? 4, 4, 8, 16. So, yan daw yung mga possible roots nung 16. Tapos, saka kayo gagamit ng synthetic division method. No? Try to rewatch video lesson number 8 ng first quarter para masagutan nyo to. Okay? Next, paano naman yung tip ko sa number 4? Ganito lang yan. Magbigyan ng example. Kunyari, 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus x equals 0. Sorry, x, not 1. X. Okay? So kapag nakita nyo lahat may variable, tignan nyo yung pinakamababang variable. Ilalabas natin siya. No, ipa-factor out natin yung common term na meron sila. Okay? Ano ba yung common factor na meron sila? X. No? So kapag nilabas natin yung variable x, magbabawas tayo isa-isa. So yung 3x cubed, dahil nilabas mo yung isa, magiging 3x squared. Yung 2x squared magiging 2x. Then yung x magiging 1 na lang. Kasi bakit? X divided by the x is 1. Okay? Equals 0. Saka kayo ngayon gagamit ng factoring or synthetic division. So yan po yung tip natin para sa number 3, 4, and 5.